Hi, this is the weekly update for Mr. Fix's Science class for the week of January 10th. This week we finished up the Amplify Force and Motion unit, or Chapter 3 and unit. We did lesson 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3. We also added to the Force and Motion unit guide notes. Students need to know all the information from page 20 through 25 of the reference notebook. Students could also practice for the test using the study aids folder. So there are 4 review activities for that they can practice. I recommended that they do it until they have it really good knowledge of it, so they don't have to really think about it. We also finished the Force and Motion daily review. So again, the daily review has questions throughout the unit and answers that we did every day. We added new ones every day after each lesson that we did. So all these questions, it has answers that they can look at. We did the fishing weight versus golf ball demonstration where students in class live looked at a fishing weight and a golf ball collide. And based on their masses and their changes in velocity, determine how mass affects their change velocity, even though same strength force is exerted on each object in the opposite direction. We did 2 ed puzzles. We did the collisions review, which took them through a series of questions based on the key concepts that we learned throughout the unit and week. We also did the ballistic ping pong ball versus tennis ball.
What happens when you take 2.5 meters of PVC pipe, stuff a ping pong ball inside, cover each end with thermal...
We also did a force and motion unit paper practice review that was on Thursday and Friday. So students got in pairs, or they worked by themselves, and for each paper they got, they had to write the answers down, and then they were called up to review the paper, and if they got them all right, they got on to the next page. If they got it wrong, then they had to do some corrections. So there were 5 pages total that they did and turned in for points. And that's what we did this week. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.